Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Walter TPDL10801 steel spring bracket drop leaf support table support. Okay, this is the 8-inch size. There are three sizes available: your 8-inch, your 10-inch, and your 12-inch. Let me confirm that. And 6-inch, forgive me, 6, 8-inch, 10, and 12-inch. They are sold in pairs. When you buy one, you'll be sent one pair of them. Used with a table apron, steel material with a yellow gold zinc plated finish. This is a finish of zinc. It's corrosion resistant for the obvious reason. Okay. Screws are not included. Spring also holds the leaf in the dropped position. Safety ring release is built into the handle. Load capacities vary depending upon the width, depth, thickness, and type of material used in the application, but the support cannot jackknife accidentally because the leaf is held securely in place by spring tension. Okay. Now, let's get down to the business end of what this is. Installation instructions show exactly how this item is used. Okay, is the bottom line. Very stiff spring there. Now, what you've got here is, looking at the installation instructions, you have two different variations that they're showing. The drop leaf support, as is shown here. Okay. And then you've got the model with a mounting bracket. So there's no mounting bracket involved here. This would be an installation where there is a table apron and then a table leaf that's going to come down. So the crucial dimensions are the A and B dimensions to C. Your B dimension references the axis of pivoting of where the piano hinge needs to be to work in conjunction with the drop leaf support. So for this 8-inch, your dimension B, okay, is listed there. Eight-inch, and your dimension A for the long part down here. Okay. So for your 8-inch, your dimension B is going to be 2-inch. And then for that same installation, your dimension A will be 1 15/16. So dimension B is 2-inch for the 8-inch. Your table apron from the face here to the center line of the axis is 2-inch. And then the underside of the tabletop to the center line of these mounting holes is 1 15/16. Okay. So your dimension B can change per that table, 1.5 inch, and that example was based on a 2-inch dimension for B. 1.5 inch, 2-inch, and 2.5 inch, and then your A dimension changes correspondingly. So the way that you're going to use this is that you will pull the safety ring. As you noticed earlier, substantial spring tension. Because of the design, your table apron is out here. You can't push that down to cause it to fail because it's locked in place. The only way to get it to fold down is to pull the safety ring, which will allow, okay, to pull down. I want to be sure you keep your finger out of there. And then you'll get it down to a position where it's folded down. Okay. So your position will look something like this, and then change to something like that. Very typical, common item. The 8-inch is less common than the 10-inch and the 12-inch for that matter. We sell much more of the 12 and 10-inch just because that's simply how it works out. Okay. To give you an overall idea of what the length of the item is. Not it's really helpful or critical, but it gives you an idea of what you're dealing with. about 10-inch overall length. Okay, width of the material up at the safety ring is about 1 inch. If you have any questions on the Walter of Wabash TPDL10801 set of drop leaf supports, 8-inch, or any other Walter of Wabash item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.